Welcome back. Now, if you are using a WordPress plugin or theme that requires some kind of embed code in order for you to place your video inside of that page, you can use the code that you're looking at right in front of you right now in order to place your video inside of a WordPress activity. And there are a couple of things that you're going to want to work with. First is going to be the MP4 video. You'll see that, and it says path to video. And that's where we're going to get the video from our Amazon S3. So we can right-click this video, and we can grab the web URL. Now again, remember, we do want to make sure that this folder has read-only access so that people, when they actually access the video, they'll be able to see it. We're going to click Copy to Clipboard, and we're going to paste that video inside of the quotations. What you'll also see is that there is a path to a still image. So, for example, if you have a thumbnail that you want to use, you will want to place the thumbnail to that image inside of this set of quotations. You can get that from Amazon S3 or from any server. You do want to make sure that it's going to fit the video width and height. And once you have the entire code ready, what you're going to do is you're going to copy the entire code. Then you're going to paste it inside of WordPress. You'll see here that this dialog box is calling for custom HTML. Even though we're inside of WordPress, we're going to paste our code. We're going to click Insert. And then what you're going to see is you're going to see that there is a custom code element. We're then going to click Save and Continue. And you'll see now that our page has a video playing element. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.